Hello dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm at North Sulawesi, Indonesia, and I'm here on a diving trip. Later in the video, I will show you what I do here, and I will tell you exactly where this place is, and also let you see what this part of the world looks like. So let's begin. Now, this is what this place is all about. The majestic Strait of Lembeh. Hundreds or even thousands of divers, underwater videographers, photographers come here every year. The diving season here is generally all year round. Just worth noting that the rainy season is between December to around February or March. The waters here are very rich in underwater life, especially those tiny macro creatures. And the tropical waters here are generally calm and clear. And that's us just coming back from a dive. Typically there are about 5 to 6 divers on each boat, so there is space for everyone. Let me give you an idea of what we just saw.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever
So this is where I'm staying for this trip. This is the Eco Beach Resort. This is the place where fine diving meets fine dining. See what I mean? It's the start of a brand new day with brand new adventures underwater. But looking above the waters, from the rising sun, we can see the silhouette of Lembeh Island. Lembeh Island measures about 25 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide. There are 17 villages on the island and a population of 20,190 people. You can see that Lembeh Island acts like a shelter protecting the Lembeh Strait from the strong currents of the open ocean. The volcanic black sands in this area is also part of the reason why Lembeh Strait has such a high density of marine life. Okay dear friends, that's my little video on diving in the Strait of Lembeh. I hope you like this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.